Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's short video, I'm going to show you how to upload reels from your desktop computer or your laptop having Windows 11. I suggest to install the Instagram app. If you haven't, just simply go to start, click on Microsoft Store and download the Instagram application by just searching here. Once you sign in, just open the Instagram and on the left hand side, you will see the plus icon which is create. If you click on it and then click on post, your Instagram will analyze automatically either it's a reel or a photo. So select from computer. From here, select the file you want to upload. Click on open. Hi everyone, welcome back to another short tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you. This is the cropped version. If you click on these arrows, it will show you either you want to post in the 9:6 ratio, which is short, or as a, I will select the first option and then I will click next. Here you have the option to select the cover or thumbnail of your reel. Below that you can also trim the video and then click next. Here you have to write the title, so I will just paste my title over there. If you want to put any hashtags, you can put and click share. So it might take some time depending on your video size and length. That's it for today. This way you can easily upload the videos from your desktop computer to Instagram.